After Tropical Storm Helene tore through the two-state overnight,
damaging or destroying more than 8,500 homes.
These 82-mile-an-hour hurricane force winds
We've seen major damage. Trees have fallen on power lines. Power lines have fallen themselves.
1.3 million were in the dark.
Your love surrounds me in the eye of the storm. When the solid ground is falling out from underneath my feet, between the black skies and my red eyes, I can barely see. When I realize I've been sold out by my friends and my family, I can feel the rain reminding me. In the eye of the storm, you remain in control.
Pattern in the theme here today is just community involvement. Now volunteers helping provide assistance to people.
The family Y of Greater Augusta has had boots on the ground since the beginning. And
my sails are torn, your love surrounds me in the eye of the storm.
When my hopes and dreams are far from me and I'm running out of faith, I see the future I picture slowly fade away. And when the tears of pain and heartache are pouring down my face, I find my peace in Jesus' name.
In the eye of the storm, you remain in control. In the middle of the war, you guard my soul. You alone are the anchor when my sails are torn. Your love surrounds me in the eye of the storm.
Oh, in the eye of, oh, in the eye of the storm. I know you're watching me, yeah. When the storm is raging
And my hope is gone,
and my hope is gone,
when
Lord,
my flesh is failing, you're still holding